Spaceplace is a fantastic STEM learning tool. It's a huge resource of information that's been up online. Well, it's been going since 1998. So over those years, the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory that is behind it has refined it, and the end result is this super minimal, clean, yet engaging visual platform, which is all available for free and all available online. So it's easily accessible through most devices. And it's keyed up for teaching specifically. So there's a whole section for educators to be able to tap into resources, get printable materials, and so on. Um, but then for students, there's this front end with all this wonderful information about earth sciences, the universe, the sun, space. They can go through these categories, and then from within that they can learn in different ways that suit their way of learning. So they can read, they can watch videos, or they can interact with games as well. And that could be a layered approach. So they can read about the sun, for example, then perhaps watch a video that gives some more detail on that, and then they can play a game which kind of tests out that learning that they've had. um, so in that way it's all laid out in a way where teachers can kind of send students off and they can self-learn without too much assistance being needed, really. And that could be both in the class or at home. And then there's printable materials can be used as sort of a follow-up, both in class or for homework. um, so it's really, really powerful. There's lots there. It kind of strikes that lovely balance between depth and complexity, without going too deep and being too difficult, and also this simplicity and minimalism that is, makes it all attractive to sort of dip into without students feeling overwhelmed. So it's sort of that upper elementary age group that this is aimed at. But because of the minimalism, it can be a really nice tool for older students that perhaps want to go back and cement the learning on that level in a way that's very accessible. Yeah, loads on there, free resource, easily accessible. Why not?